welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, it's long weekend. I just got home, and as soon as I have stripped down, I'm gonna start the fire and we will start doing knife things. But I want to quickly show you this, a working knife for a working man. This is the GEDORE Red. Okay, my brother, it's actually his, and I have it on loan from him at this stage. I've been playing around with it for a while, and yes, we will talk about this knife in a few seconds. But for now, we are enjoying a delicious castle, starting to feel like a human again. And then as soon as I have a fire going, we can continue with the knife things. Okay, the one nice thing about long weekend is because it's Easter, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So 4 days of knife playing pleasure. Okay, it looks like this old girl is trying to lay eggs again. So maybe baby turtles. It looks like candy, but it's not. Okay, let's look at this thing. Let's quickly... Oh, he wanted to say hi, apparently. Beautiful little Boker Dia de los Muertos. Okay, it comes in a little plastic pack like this. It says GEDORE R9325. And then it says blade length 87 millimeters and overall 210 millimeters. Okay, at the back it says exactly the same. GEDORE made in China. My wife went, well, she wasn't here when I got back home. She went and she fetched the little guy. And she went and she bought more Easter eggs for Sunday. So, yeah, they came back now. Dogs went crazy. I had to stop for a second. I think we said last thing made in China, but GEDORE, the company, is in Germany. Okay. So, not a lot of information on the knife itself. So, I suppose this is your normal 8CR13. It does have, it doesn't look like a real coating. It might be, I might be wrong, but it looks like paint or something, maybe. Okay, this thing is extremely sharp, the front bit. It is very sharp. The serrations is so mean that it's almost too mean. It, let me see if I can find something here. Okay, only a baby little piece, but when you want to cut something with it, it's like it's, yeah, it almost hooks in there. Okay, if you get what I'm saying, it's too aggressive. Nice knife, quite light, and then you can open it one-handed. Not a problem. It does have a nail nick if you prefer to use that. I haven't used it for anything harder than cardboard and a bit of rope. Oh, and yeah, I chopped down a few plants. But it's a nice knife. This part is extremely grippy. It's like rubbery. This is like a hard plastic, but still nice. Okay, on there it says GEDORE Red. Let's see if you can see that. GEDORE Red, and then some or other whatever number. Pocket clip, unfortunately, is only one position and tip down. It's not really drop shutty, but that's not because the blade doesn't want to. It's as soon as you leave the detent, it holds it in place. So the detent is, yeah, really, I can't say hard, but it does have an extremely harsh detent. Okay, it's not a, I don't know, if it is a hollow ground, it's not a very deep hollow ground, very shallow hollow grind, and it doesn't go up too far, but still a very functional knife. It does have jumping everywhere you would want it. It's easy to get to the liner lock. It does have a big lanyard hole, but it's two skinny little parts making up the lanyard slot. And then it's got this, I don't know, devil's tail looking pocket clip with a spoon at the end. It works fine. This knife, I cannot remember what my brother said he paid for it, but it wasn't a lot. It was definitely under 200 Rand. So it's quite an inexpensive knife. And if I were somebody that were to use this thing every day for work, this would be a wonderful knife. Opening boxes, cutting things, and not caring about it. Using it exactly as a tool. Okay, then this knife would be fantastic. So that's my quick look at the GEDORE Red. I love all knives that's made by tool companies. I don't know why, it feels like they should last longer or something, because these people already make tools, and GEDORE tools, great tools. So there is the GEDORE Red pocket knife. So that's my quick little, I wanted to say Friday video, but it's not really a Friday, it's still Thursday. So enjoy Easter, spend it with your family, have a great time, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye. The coals are ready. I'm gonna brush my grid, throw on a few steaks, and enjoy my Easter.